In this video we'll just look at fine-tuning the dimensions in the assembly of the gearbox, minor project for AutoCAD. Now this drawing is done on an A3 sheet at a scale of 1 to 4. It's actually been done by scaling the sheet up 4 times so that when it's plotted out it would be plotted a quarter size, which will make it a scale of 1 to 4. The drawing is always done full size. This creates a problem with the dimensions because, as you can see from this dimension, the arrows are very small. The text is actually a reasonable size, but that's because it's been adjusted and set to have a text height of 10. Normally that would be 2.5. I'm going to just change that back to 2.5. Now what we really need to do is change the setting for this dimension style so that it scales up by a factor of 4. So I'm going to the Annotate tab, the Dimension panel, and selecting the Dimension Style Manager. ISO 25 is the style that we're using, and we're going to modify that. Note the text height is right, the arrowhead size is right. Just one other thing on the text before we do the adjustment of the scale. Normally with AS 1100 we view the text from the bottom or the right hand side of the drawing, so we normally align the dimensions, the text with the dimension line. Now on the Fit tab, if we use a scale factor, and because we're drawing at 1 to 4, if we make this 4 times the scale, what that will do is make our text bigger and our arrows bigger. Now you'll notice that that hasn't adjusted automatically. Pretty annoying, but you get that. What we have to do is go to the manual update on the dimension panel once again, update, select that dimension, press the enter, and you'll see that the arrows and the text have been scaled up by 4 times, and that's about the right size. Now the other dimensions haven't been affected. What we can do there is go to our home panel, match properties, select the one that we've just adjusted and paint those properties onto the other dimensions in the job. So if you look carefully you can see that that is actually adjusting all of the sizes as we go.